Hi guys, today we're going to introduce the new Nuuk E-line. First of all, we're going to talk about the product. It's a LED bar integrated to the license plate holder, the only one in the world that I know of. We have done a curve on the holder to fit the natural curve of the car. You will receive in the package adjustment screws, so you get the LED bar pointing on the road, not up on the treetops or down. You will get the mounting screws to fit it to the car. You will get the click in to keep the license plate in place. You have the pre-mounted pins, so you will get the DT connector going to that. You will also get the pigtail, as we call it, the other part. And there you have the fuse and mounting options for the battery. So if we talk about how you mount LED bars to a car, the first thing you do is trying to find out how you will get the signal for a relay, or as here it's integrated relay into the product. So you need to get some kind of signal turning it on when you get the high beam on. Second thing you do is this LED bar with the license plate holder. You hold it so you see that it will be a nice fit. You know exactly how to mount it. And then you always check where will you have your cables and where will you get your power. So always do those three things before you do anything actual to the car. For signal, we have tested the XBB kit. It's one dongle, OBD2 dongle, and one power unit. They talk wireless to each other. That's one big thing for us. Why we use it, it's because you don't have to have a cable going through the firewall. It's always hard to find where you should do that. It talks wireless, and the other good thing is that you just plug it into the OBD2 connector. You take your app and check which signals that works and what doesn't work. You are pretty much 100% sure if it works or not. Second thing is you hold it and see so you know exactly how to do when you fit it. You check behind so you don't have any like sensors or something behind or cables. You don't want to drill through that or take a screw that messes something up. Now the license plate is on, but you basically just try to center it, and then you use the mounting screws you get, or you use the original ones that you probably removed, and then in with the cable. Try to keep it from the engine and from moving parts, so the fan and such, and we always try to do a nice mounting, so keep it out of sight, fit it so it goes in a natural place here. Up to where we connect it, here we have the jump start connection points from the battery. So we take the power from here, and the XBB gets the signal from the OBD2 connector. When you've done all of this, yeah, it should basically work when you put on the high beam signal. Then you will get a light that goes over 400 meters. It's a little bit narrow beam because you just add to the original high beam. It's such a small light, so we needed to fine-tune it to fit perfect with the beam from the original car. So 700 lumen, over 400 meters, 1 lux, super easy to mount. So I really recommend everyone to try this. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for this time.